I'm Miles from Solar Tops, here with another frequently asked questions video. This video's topic is the Installer's Warranty. Like our other video where we discussed warranties offered by manufacturers, we're going to take some time to discuss the warranties offered by a solar panel installation company like Solar Tops. The most common warranties offered by an installation company are a Workmanship Warranty, Roof Penetration Warranty, and a Performance Production Chart. Workmanship Warranty. This covers the installation of your system on your roof. Typically, a manufacturer's warranty ends once the panels are installed, so a solid workmanship warranty will pick up where the manufacturer's warranty left off. These warranties can range from 2 to 10 years, or in the instance of a company like Solar Tops, 25 years. When getting a solar proposal, ask about this warranty to know that you are covered in case something goes wrong. Roof Penetration Warranty. This protects your roof specifically where the installation is on your roof. The type of coverage your penetration warranty depends on the installation company. Make sure your warranty works with your current roof warranty. Be sure to consider whether or not your roof needs to be replaced before an installation. If so, you may be able to include the price for a new installation into the overall price of your system. Performance Production Chart. To be clear, this is not a warranty. This chart is an expectation backed by the installer on how much your system will produce each year. This chart is helpful to know whether or not your system is performing per its intended design and expectations. If you're considering an installation company and they either can't or won't produce this, that should be a red flag for you and your system. That's the basics for installer warranties. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website or read our blog about warranties. These are just some tips to consider. For all things going solar, visit our website.